Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ïakren Pynbeit put Bteng ka Meghalaya bat ka Assam. Kanamla shu banlong hau news number menta. Hendai tat hau Bnai Kyllalyngkot jong senam banwan ni kala ru banlong Hadien juga Ilekshon MP. Usembun Menteri Rangba Kejelau ba Prestone tensong ubaderu chairman Karibhoi Regional Committee. Habakran cikilat pathai kubor uloong bakin ong Ïakren ya kakam kaput jong Karibhoi Regional Committee mentau senam kanamla shu banang ya kendu namar lada lat maki na Assam kimlat bat lada lat na Assam maki nang ni kimlat. Uba Prestone uloong ru ba menta lajan sakajing le kemen Christmas kumta baro kilaya bun kam. Hakajing shisha kilabu wan penlong jingelang hendrai na Assam kim shem lalat. Banak liang jongki kilaong lada long ban bu no ka arpuai ni arpu ar tarik mentau Bnai hendrai kini kisngipan kibadai kmi nang ni kimlat. Kumta kila Pynbeit balada long kabala ban ya kendu no house nem thamai. Halor ke jingni ki kubor bagadon ke jingtre jubor rak Assam ban shna surak athan kaput kumha bakla para usembut Menteri Rangba uloong. Bat kren syai bakamdon satya kanu ke jing pentre jubor ki surak ha kaput. Bat gadi ke surak kabala shna Hadien baladon ke jing asong thu jingmun. Kitrai jakaru kila pediang bat kamut satya ban ong baka surak kandai ke benta ban pia ayu put usam hendrai kandai bet tang ke jing penyaso na Meghalaya sha Assam. Syuk ba Prestone la pentip baha ke jingelang kabala dep baro arliang kila rai baha ke baningkong kini Ïakren Bteng tang ya ke desh domria bat nongwa mau tamur. Andala dep ke Ïakren luar kini ar kin saya Ïakren saya ke blok 2. Uba Prestone loong ru bagi kwa ba ke Ïakren kanong bat Bteng no hau Kyllalyngkot bat hakaba kila Ïakren ru bat u atul bora. Kumta haduk menta kimpat tip la kala ban nong ni namar kan syong ha ke rai lang.
Cakat pemuka hok karai ke masim kaniga jinge tunduk armut ki Menteri Rangba kolong kena para mati yang ba katu peniti di jaka ki pemuka lampi pat nang ta kaniga haim ke ba lanya pasya kin le kloi no ya ta ya katu kan no
kata kenyo pinama katu kahap ka region kata ka komiti kahap West hakaba iba polong chairman kila ay long teng ya ka komiti tambolong ba kata kalong kaju long kum mangasya di sepoi saka Karibhoi region hakaba kadu ngidangmut bani kendu ngangalai teng counterpart chunga umai teng ulai ngapa ngamlai ni ita kideki jinga dan rei more or less nilaya long ready ban ya kendu bat kata first meeting gam nilai shongru nilai keren syai ban dia kendu biang nilai I direction ye ki officers jongi ka revenue department nang ta ki DCs nang ta ki BDOs bakin nang le ka ground work jongi nadok sedong boro arside bat Assam bat Meghalaya kena maka next meeting in Shong ngin ya discuss kata Hadien bagi discuss ngin salit saya ka site inspection.
So you've always maintained that block between the two states. What was the response of the Assam government in regards to?
Well, in fact, in the last meeting that we had, we have decided both the committees that we will first of all take up few areas. As far as my region is concerned, we have decided to take up this Domaria. And number two is that Mautamur area, Kenongwa Mautamur area. These are the two area where we have decided that we will take it up. Once that is done, then we will go for the block 2. That also we have discussed, but we will go to the block 2 only when we completed these two areas. Domaria, as I said to you, and number two is Mautamur Noma.
Kamu bangi labat suatu bukan kan gajing penpau jopi kene ke Ïakren kan Bteng Hadien ke election MP.
Ngin ya pek ladapi yang isang ngi kwa na Januari. Ïakren ya ba atul bora namar ude atul bora bat nga. The uru most likely let us go and do it in the month of January. They again, you kata ngamla ban okum nu, they ka shock which ya light lang. pi hangte don uwei ubalong chairman ude upatwari uwei pat ude atul bura ude ya ketika Mautomoro area but ya kedomria area pde ude upatwari de nak ada Ilekshon meeting ya kita bro arteli bro armut kita ki chairman nilai rai kumta bangin pendet sua ya kini ki arteli but Hadien in legisah ya kabalai but kata kada ke block 2 but ya kada block 2 bade again na asam ki botu we pat chairman baru tahu de Pius Hazarika jaga ribohi region tengah try but on within this year not possible nomor ba mentangi lah chance ke Christmas lai bun kam we will again resume maybe only after by next year again mi biangka isu tangan uno lada tang slap poi suka election MP election pi kini ki coincidence ke ba long bahkan slam ka tambah whatever kalau ada ka slam kena ka Ïakren ro mereka cincai kolong ba we stick to what we have already started and we wanted to ban penting na ba bingin poi saka final conclusion
Kamu kalau adun kajingnya penting nang ni sati.
Ya kalau adun yang penting. Ngaruh ngong ping lah ayah book meeting. Saya book meeting atau ke last November. Again nang take it right. Fide entah. Te mentah pada ki ong balengi milek kini ke arpaway ke arpaway ngapa again ngamai. Longi pada sini asu imo mi baya. You come tam ke Christmas kini ka bunkam ke season ke ba day ke bunkam.
Mentah ki ong bakal ni kajing don kani kajing menteri jubor pada kali asam kisro kumhaba kala para Ilekshon kini apa hal
kamdon kajing menteri jubor pi ke ba kolong kani ngan itu pi Bteng ki ngaptip mano ba ai ka statement mo don mano bro ki self vested interest ki bam kwa man mislead katu kadai ke sro ka ba la daya sujumon but kebangi keren saya kolong kam day ban ong what kit try nong nong tu ki welcome namar kan ni kamut ban ong baka day ka deciding factor ya ka boundary lading I surok mangi ka connection asam na ka au asam connection ni no how but kata ka day ka ba ngilai rai ya kata nadu mensua nadu kitok skiban nadu kapor kapten sangma ter kumtu kepala don apa kata telong long kini penmi isu ngatrai kamha namar don manor besua mai ola chaklun haka samte ni bena sulong tak tangi don ni jisau te imat ka dei sisa re nale pek je ji sisa kam dei kumta ngau piki ki kam tam ki trai snong ki trai jaka ki trai area chubu ki sutnat chubun barwan ka surok manu bom kwa ban yo ai ka surok ka babha ka babit ka babiak kan non kam don ne mata
So now the region
ta manu tapi ngana daw nakaliang jongi na government ngasko ban ong ba kineki badon jaka kitra jaka so bahasi wachim kabu pala namar ba pinyo nong hi ba pite la daga ba la daga slok ko he jaka jomki nungkong yo nong maki nalor ba kiyo ya kalan composition la daga kalan composition ong no adai san po tengka to san po aja tengka ba kiyo then in the long run ba ya ko slok na jaka jomki kan poi kan nu kalau awan poi san polak nak san po aja dengan soban ong bala kamu kitrai jaka kibedon ke jaka kaba ya lembaga ke so kim dei ban kim sim ban su ong bai ban sim kau bu ban ong ba la dekat dor yo kalong tangsis patengka jat bade ke projek joko sarkar kin ong no asia hajar tengka ngatrai kan nu mehap lan
sakat kum kenika jing ken ki DC berarti kat lu faida total area nang ta kenika lai kupra kilometer kadan long adu bagi peladat mentah peladat ban ajen kan poi kan lu kejaka kajing don kami ya kejaka kan long kumbang no square kilometer na square meter
ka detail ngam don da hoi kila de calculate lo kata te kila calculate no sta mo damar ba ka double lane bulsin.com ke jaka 1,000 meter kalau standar 1,000 meter ke 1,000 meter then ka ROW kamu ka 1,000 meter long hapan le ya ka plan acquisition kamu ni.com 1,000 meter bat ka jijrong kata pada haduk lai pro kilometer They look simple, but kenci lalap. Ya kata.
Sir,
Nomor Ïakren ni kejakaan surong cumi nadu nang tina nadu nang tu nang lat umroi. Hadu hang ni ha surong nila IT baik mata ha NHITCL tidak ngelak NHITCL.
Kanya ni narum jongka.
Narum kadai downstream. Kanya downstream.
sir, last time you informed that the government will be calling a meeting with all stakeholders to discuss about the amendment bill of the MRSSA.
Total cost.
Ke project cost, kabumut construction of road, double lane, kapoi 600 crores. Itu kata kadai for construction of road,
38 kilometers.
38 kilometers, kapoi 600 crores. And the kapoi sekalan compensation komponen poisia cara arba pro. Te hatta bisa susu ba kumno kala banlong ba kan rem penban ka bai caka ban ya ka baisna su long no kaju rem ka jaka ban ya ka snaye la long no ka ang saka yeng itit lai hajar saujar square feet snaye ke ati bin kala po de kiklor jaka bangla ban long ba ka jaka kan kamrem ka jaka ban ya ka ba pitna ya ka ye de nak ta dau ko long kumju kumnu kala ban long ba kan kamrem ka jaka bangit siu ya ka surok ban ya ka bangisna ya ka ni ka surok ka balong ka surok doble
Kumut ka
Kat juga.
MORTH katan bo upay kador kat no non ta upay.
kata kamju pia kalan aku ni kamju long kalan question buat sini kalau baik ke assessment kawan ngomong opinaki district collector mangi na kalian department na state comment ngim do nei kata kasyom na kalian jong ka district administration na ka district collector ban le
Katkum ka report jong kini ki district collectors jong ka riboy bat ke East Khas Hills kai ka daw ba kani ka bai jaka ka ki hodo
ngam ong balai ka daw ya mentan mangila kejing kren jungi kolong ba sengau bah reassess bat sengau baru ban revisit biang ya kadi nama ladang imla ban penhiar ya kador ka bomot minister jong ka road transport ubangai ya shong meeting lang nga mentadang hadir Bnai shong ula ai daka basai kada lada prensai nga wong ba lada kalau kami ingin namla ngirungin ya pak kalian kodit nomor ba kumnu kalah menlongkan ren ka dor jaka ban ya ka pengisna ya ka project ngane ka sulok berkuai
Kumut na pay rin si Badu.
kan pos bodu lada bakelatian kan pos bodu
Simlang hakta ba ko ji?
Ki nomor ka DPR kalau baik construction of road te kawan sakawai pat ke komponen ka bangi ong kalana position nomor ya kalana position mdei nak ene chidel mdei ke perlu di bala assess ya kador ke kandeu ya kador ke yang kanile nak kalian ki district collector hi bro ar ki district collector ki devan le ke kam bat kata kalau kumopi katu kane na riboy district katu kane nang ne ko East Khas district Kenar kadang ya peta ya ki deputy commissioner pro angut bagi sekolah bahaban reassess nama bakum bakalong mentai nakalian ka government of India lada kapoi kata kila ban drop yang dia project
is the government going to extend any financial help to the district council?
well in fact yes now finance department is looking and examining all those request coming from Janti Hills Autonomous Council relating to bailing out the outstanding dues and then the outstanding salaries of the employees and now the finance department are working out. We wanted to bail them out but when I say bailing them out means we will adjust again from the share entitled by both by all the three district council Jaintia, Khasi, and Garo. So now they are working out how to bail out this, this temporary situation, which has led up to 50 crores outstanding dues to the employees of the Jaintia District Council.
How much is the out? Because recently the CEM had stated that there are some outstanding dues that the government needs to clear to the GHADC.
Well, I don't have the details right now, but that's what I'm saying. Now finance department are working out, like mining and geology department, as well as forest department, they are working out. Even the transport department, they are working out the details of shares entitled by Jaintia Hills Council, Khasi and Garo Hills District Council. Then once that is done, we will release some funds to these councils for necessary payment of their employee salaries.
So,
Submit the report until unless we meet again. And then because see again we have to also go for site inspection. Like we have done in the first phase, we wanted to again do the same system where both the committee will go to the site, will go to the spot, and then in consultation with the local people over there, then after that we will submit the report. Long Western Bypass is concerned, in fact, more or less we reached to the final stage. Even the tendering process has been completed, but the only issue where the government of India, Ministry of Road Transport, through the NHITCL, they again send back the queries to the state government, to the PUD, asking about the exorbitant submission of funds in terms of land acquisition, which is double than the project cost. In fact, the project cost is about 600 crores and the land acquisition comes to about 1,200 crores, which is not at all justified. And moreover, this alignment finalized by the NHITCL along with the state PUD, mostly it's a green field. It does not go via the village or via the town. It's more or less a green field project. Then even from our side, we had taken a review in my level and then with CM also recently. So we discussed and then we have asked both the deputy commissioners, the district collectors, East Khasils as well as Ribhoi district to again do some kind of reassessment, because the road length is only 38 kilometers, more or less, 38 kilometers. 38 kilometers, if we have to pay the compensation of 1,200 crores, if you convert it into square feet, I don't know how much, it's quite, it's quite expensive. So therefore, from the department and then even from the level of Honorable Chief Minister, we have asked both the deputy commissioners to again review, reassess this land acquisition component.
Mentalong ba Pynbeit project?